When you hit send on an email, it feels instant. But behind the scenes, a complex process begins in just a few microseconds. First, your email client, like Gmail or Outlook, sends the message to an outgoing mail server using a protocol called SMTP. This server then checks the recipient's domain, such as at company.com, and looks up the correct destination mail server using something called DNS Records, specifically MX or Mail Exchange Records. Once the receiving mail server is identified, your email travels across the internet from server to server until it reaches that destination. But even here, before it's accepted, several security checks happen. The receiving server verifies SPF to confirm that the sending server is allowed to send emails for that domain. Then DKIM checks a cryptographic signature attached to the email to ensure the message hasn't been altered during transit. Finally, DMARC policies decide what to do if those checks fail, whether to allow the email, send it to spam, or block it entirely. Here, if everything passes, the email is delivered to the recipient's mailbox and appears in their inbox within seconds. Seems amazing, right? Well, while sending an email looks simple on the surface, it's complex behind the scenes. There are multiple servers, protocols, and security layers that work together to make sure your message arrives safely and hasn't been tampered with along the way. Like what you just saw? Subscribe to Learn with Whiteboard for more tech lessons like this one.